Sharing my favorite thing about Immune Booster is not an easy task because I have several. Let me explain. First, ProArgi-9 Plus Immune Booster offers remarkable benefits as a standalone product, but it was designed to work in tandem with ProArgi-9 Plus to optimize the effect of both products in the body. Second, Immune Booster is a perfect companion for the cold winter months and a great year-round partner to support a healthy immune system. Third, it features a host of amazing key ingredients, including clinically studied yeast-derived beta-glucans, the trifecta of immune-boosting vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc, plus vitamin B6 to help reduce tiredness and fatigue. Prebiotics to support your gut microbiome, which along with the healthy vitamin profile, play a key role in supporting the immune system. Natural fruit extracts provide potent support against free radicals. Fourth, and did I mention the taste? It's delicious.